How to increase the video quality in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can increase video quality in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app. Now you can see I have this project over here. I'm just going to cross it and import any video. And once you find a video file like this one, I'm going to just open it. And now you can see this is a video over here. And now I want to increase the video quality. So we simply have to click this arrow over here, and once you do so, it's going to just open this drop down menu. And now in the resolution, you have to just make it 2K or 4K over here. Just drag it to this point, and then you can just choose the frame rate according to the high resolution video and the code rate as well. Choose the code rate to be high, and once you do so, and now you can just automatically convert your clips to an HDR video by clicking this option. And once you do these settings, it's going to increase your video quality, and now you simply have to export it by clicking this arrow, and that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.